Welcome to my channel, where we discuss everything and all things politics, economy, and development in Nigeria and around the world. Today, January 20th, 2025, President Donald Trump will be sworn in as the President of America. He's going to be the 47th President of the United States. The last time, in 2016, he was the 45th President of the United States. And in a historic poll last November, he was re-elected overwhelmingly, the first Republican to do that in decades, winning both the popular vote and the electoral college votes. It was an overwhelming endorsement of Donald Trump as he returns today as President of America through his formal swearing in today. One woman will emerge as the most powerful woman in America, and that woman is Susie Wiles. Susie Wiles is the Chief of Staff to President Donald Trump. And Susie Wiles has a lobbying company, and that his company has worked with the Indigenous People of Biafra, whose leader, Nnamdi Kanu, is incarcerated in Nigeria. In other words, what does this mean for Biafran agitators? It means that they have somebody in the White House within the earshot of the president, somebody who can table their case and their matter before the commander-in-chief of the most powerful army in history, Donald Trump. Where am I going to? It means that the IPOB lobbyists who hired this woman to be their lobbyist in the US Congress will now have an opportunity of a president that will listen to their matter. You know, when she was lobbying when Biden was president, now a Republican is president, and Susie Wiles is being celebrated as the woman who helped to coordinate the return of Trump. And Donald Trump trusts her a lot. What that means is that IPOB lobbying at the US Congress, at the US State Department, as has been well documented in several reports, which was cited by Sahara reporters too, means that when the matter of Nnamdi Kanu, his incarceration, will get to the White House again, this time not under Biden, this time not under the Democratic Party. There is a president who is likely to listen to his chief of staff, who is conversant with IPOB agenda, what they are trying to do, what they are passing through in Nigeria, and the incarceration of their leader, in which the leader himself, the Nnamdi Kanu, had complained of lack of application of the rule of law in his matter, that he has been denied bail that have been granted other people, and all the intrigues surrounding his continued detention. There is somebody in the White House who will pay attention. I hope the Nigerian government takes note of that. There is now a new king new sheriff in Washington. And within that new sheriff, his close confidant is an IPOB lobbyist, Susie Wiles. And that the government of Nigeria should be careful how they keep on treating the matter of Nnamdi Kanu. Because once Trump starts working today and the IPOB lobbyists get their acts together in Washington, D.C., there will be dramatic change in the way that the Trump administration will treat the issue of Nnamdi Kanu, different from what Biden had been doing. That's my observation. That's my thinking, given the closeness of Susie Wiles to Donald Trump, the influence this woman has. This woman has powerful influence. This woman coordinated all the secretaries, all the ministers, in America they call them secretaries. This woman was the one that was listing and canceling names, of course, with Donald Trump, who became secretary or who became ministers. That's how powerful she is. So the government of Nigeria should take note that there is a new sheriff in town in Washington, and one of his key advisors is an IPOB sympathizer, Susie Wiles, and ensure that they do the right thing without having to wait for Washington to tell them what to do. They should follow the rule of law. That's my observation. I don't know what you think about this, but whatever is your position on the return of Trump and what he portended for Biafran agitators like IPOB, based on the history of the Chief of Staff of the United States government, Susie Wiles. What do you think? What is your observation? What are your expectations? Let's hear from you at the comment section. Thank you for watching this video. And if you are new to my channel, you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, hit the subscription button, hit the notification bell. When you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, anytime I have a new video, you'll be among the first to know. God bless you. And please don't forget to like this video, because when you like it, Google will rank it high and recommend it for more people. Thank you, and God bless you and yours.